Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to get promo point in 1xBet. This is really easy, but before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional 1xBet account, and to do so, you simply click on registration. Next, you click on buy email, and here you're going to fill all your personal information. Now at the section of promo code, you enter the promo code UTV, and by using this promo code, you get a bonus of 300%. So if you top up your account with $100, you get $300. Now you are going to click on the menu icon at the bottom right. Next, you are simply going to click on the 1xGame option. Then you are going to click on bonuses, and you are going to find out all of these options that will permit you to get promo point from 1xBet. Simply, what are first of all promo point? Promo point are points available in 1xBet that you can find out your amount of promo points simply by clicking on order here in the menu section, then on clicking on promo. Here you're going to find out the promo points in your promo account here, and you can click on get promo point, but you see that you can't claim them. So you're simply going to head back to the menu section, then you're going to click on 1xGame just as I did before. Next you're going to click on bonuses, and you're going to find out all of these bonuses options through which you can get promo point. By clicking on quest of the day, you're going to find out all the daily quests that you are going to fulfill in order to get promo point, just as you can see up here. So you are going to fulfill them to get the promo point, and you can find out other options that will permit you to get promo point. Now once you have got your promo point, you are simply going to click on bonuses, and here you are going to find out the bonus that you are going to earn by using your promo point that you are going to use in the game to earn more money. And another method is simply by using my promo code mentioned earlier in order to get the first deposit that will enable you to get much more promo point.